So today I am making biscuits with pancake mix. Very easy. Start off with 2 cups of pancake mix. I almost didn't have enough, but fortunately I hadn't used all of it. I'm just using some regular pancake mix. Start off with that. I'm gonna have 3/4 cup of milk and 6 tablespoons of butter. I'm gonna shred the butter up in there. So first I add the pancake mix and mix it up. Next I'm gonna add the butter. So as you can see, I just kind of sliced this butter up. You can shred it with one of those little box shredders, but I didn't. I just did that, and it came out fine. And you just need to mix it in with a fork. Now, as you can see, the butter is getting mixed in. It says cold butter, but on the same note, it has to be softened so you can get it mixed in good. Then after you get it all mixed in, see the little crumbles? Then you'll add the milk to make the dough. So I'm adding milk in. You might not need all the milk, or you might need more of the milk. Remember, it's only 3/4 cup of milk. Starting to make a nice little lump of dough. I still need more. It's not enough. I'm continuing to mix it and fold it in there. See that dough ball forming right now? It's looking nice. Now I got my cutting board here, put some flour on it. You can see my ball of dough has formed here. I'm gonna put the dough on the flour so it won't stick. And there we have it on there. I'm ready to roll it up and make it look nice. Cut it in half and then roll it again. You should repeat that process 3 or 4 times so it can get worked in there all nice and good for it to for the ingredients to form together. So you really want to work that in there now nicely like that. See that? Now I've worked and kneaded this ball of dough about 4 or 5 minutes to make it look like that. Now I'm gonna roll it out, get the biscuits cut about 1 inch, 1.5 inches thick. So I did use canola oil to spray the bottom of my pan because I don't want them to stick. So you can use whatever, or you don't have to use any. But here's the finished product. Look how nicely they came out. Look at that. See that? So easy. Again, all you need is 2 cups of pancake mix, 3/4 cup of milk, and 6 tablespoons of cold butter. Then you work the magic and they turn out like this. There you go. And then you bake them in the oven for only 10 minutes or till they're brown at 350. I spread some butter on the top, and then I'm just gonna pop them into the oven. Okay, I took them out. Here's the finished product. They looking really nice. See that? They said to cook it on 450. My oven doesn't go up to 450. It'll go up to 385, which is super hot. So I recommend you cook them a little hotter than 350. Because if you don't, then you have to leave them in a little bit longer, because these been in more than 10 minutes. But they came out perfectly, as you can see. Look how nice and fluffy that is. Put a little butter on it. Those are gonna be nice. Try them out. Make some. Tell me what you think. Bye.